In this video, we are going to understand what is fundamental analysis. Hey guys, thank you for watching Traveling with Jay. This is me Janita and I'm back with another episode in a stock market series. As you know, on the last video, we have discussed what is technical analysis, and I have also given you a best example of food stall where you understand what is fundamental and what is technical analysis. If you have missed to watch that particular video, I've pinned the link on the I button and also in the description box. You can do check out later. What is fundamental analysis? If I have to explain you in simple words, then fundamental analysis is like looking at something in a complete manner, in a broader way. And it is extremely important, like whenever you're looking to invest in any company, you should know what that company deals into, what is the history of that particular company, what are the future prospects of that particular company. Guys, many of you might be having question like, if I want to invest small amount for a small period of time, why would I do technical analysis, fundamental analysis, right? It would be like a burden on your head. So let me tell you when you will use fundamental analysis. If you're looking to invest your money for a longer period of time, like after a year or for a period of 3 years, 5 years, then you should always go and check out the fundamental analysis of that particular company. Your wealth, your investment will grow only if you have invested in companies that are fundamentally strong. Everyone have this particular question in mind, right? That can you be a fundamental analyst? So the answer is yes, anybody can be a fundamental analyst. You don't need a particular degree for this particular thing, because it is a myth created in people's mind that only CAs and people who have graduated in finance and accounting have much knowledge about stock market. It's not like that. Only if you study on your own, when you learn to trade, each trade will teach you something or the other. In my case, I am a postgraduate in finance and accounting, and as an initiative, I wanted to share my knowledge that I have learned in stock market. So I started this particular channel with my passion about sharing my knowledge. If it could help any one of you, it would be a great achievement for me. So I have started this particular series, that is Stock Market for Beginners. If you have missed out on any of the videos, you can check out the playlist, that is Stock Market for Beginners. And do mention your questions in comment box. I will be happy to reply you all anytime. Let's go back to that question again. To become a fundamental analyst, what are the basic skills you will require? So you will require only 2 basic skills to become a fundamental analyst. Number 1 is understanding the basic financial statements of a company. And the second is understanding the business. Understanding the business of the company, like what that company is operating into, what kind of market it is. Like if it's the IT sector, banking sector, pharma sector, what that company is dealing into. Now you would say that I have left you with another question, what to refer. So have patience, I will tell you what documents you have to refer. So number 1, you have to refer the annual report of the company. It is very important that you review the annual reports of the company. Second is reviewing the financial statements of the company. What is financial statement? Financial statements would cover the profit and loss account statement of the company, then balance sheet of that particular company, cash flow statements. These documents are very important. That is the part of fundamental analysis. So, and also one more tip I would like to give you, that whenever you review this document, always view it from the company's official website. So let me tell you how would you go about it. First of all, you need to list down 3 to 4 companies in a particular sector that you are looking to invest in. Now, you will check out the financial statements, you will compare the financial statements of that 3 to 4 companies, and you will make a basic decision like which company looks more stronger in their financial statements. Next, you will have to check the share price, the current share price of the particular company. This is how you will check the fundamental analysis of the company. In this, you have to keep in mind that you are investing for a long period of time, whereas in technical analysis, we are investing for short period of time where we go with the market trends. Many a times I receive DMs on Instagram and comments, people asking me where to invest, which company I should invest. So I always ask you one particular question, that is, what kind of investment you're looking for. Is it for a short period of time or is it for a long period of time? So it is very important that you always plan and strategize your investment and then look out for companies. It is always advisable that this researches you do it on your own instead of asking someone else, because if you research about companies on your own, then you will get to know like what is the trend of that particular share, then what is the company deals into, like what that company trends into the share prices. It will make you more strong in stock market. So I will always advise you that review the company's financial statements, read the news about the companies, and then make a decision like where you want to invest. So guys, that was all for today. I hope this video was useful. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Travelin' with Jay. And also an important notification that I would be covering an important topic in the next video related to PE ratio. So stay tuned. Take care. Bye. Hit the subscribe button right now so that you get notification for all my future videos.